Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
केंद्रान मान्यताय दितकच गोय राज्याचो हवामान बदलाचो एक्शन प्लान भौशीक जातलो. आर्थीक तरतूद खंय केल्ली आसा.
We as Goa cannot be left out from the effects and impacts of climate change. So first of all, let us understand that as a state, we have to do our own role, which we are doing, and there are many things that are put in place. First of all, I would like to say that the state action plan on climate change is already in place. It has been approved by the Goa cabinet also, and it has gone to central government for approval. The Ministry of Environment and Forest is anytime expected to give us the approval, and then it will be made to public. Regarding climate change, many departments which are priority sectors and other sectors are also identified, and the budgetary allocation as well as the actions are planned. Now this will involve lot of public participation, and for that also the consultative processes have been done during the preparation of state action plan for climate change. And now we are very sure that after this plan is activated and the actions start, we will be able to involve people in managing in two ways. One is by adaptation and one is by mitigation. The actions like ban on single-use plastic and similar actions which will be coming in near future would be looking at mitigation. Solar energy use of 50% solar subsidy is something that we need to popularize. So that will all talk about mitigation. When it comes to adaptation, we are developing many projects, which basically two projects will be developed.
फाटल्या वर्सा गोंयकारांनी वर्साचे 12 महिने पावस आनी हुंवार अणभवलो. सरकारान आनी गोंयकारांनी एकठांय येवन हवामान बदलाचेर लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर श्रद्धाचारी वांगडा स्वप्नील तारी.